Hello again and welcome to my channel, Mommy for 5 Griffins. It's nice to have you here. Okay, hello again. And today I'm going to show you how to clean a bathroom the professional way. And you see it's nasty. It is really nasty. So, and some of you know you have the same issues. So I'm going to show you how to tackle them. See, we have a dirty shower. And I've already pre-treated it with some warm vinegar and Dawn dish soap. And we're going to see how that works. Take off all the grime. And we got to tackle this floor. If you have boys, you can totally understand how this grime gets on the floor, especially by the toilet, because boys, unfortunately, they miss a lot. So we're gonna clean this bathroom, and we will survive later. I'm gonna show you how to get the stains off the bottom. If you can see the stains, those will come up too. And the tub is extremely dirty, so bear with me. We will get it clean and knocked out. And with the toilet, what we're going to do is we're going to use a pumice stone, and we're going to make sure it's wet. So I'm just wetting the pumice stone. After cleaning it with the pumice stone and barkeeper's friend, all the lime deposits are gone, and it looks great. All we have to do is replace the toilet seat because the toilet seats kind of had it. Onto the tub. The tub is the hardest. It is a porcelain tub, so you can use cleaners in there. Off the bottom all the way, but it is significantly lighter. And I got it lighter with the barkeeper's friends. So that's a good thing. Okay, when all else fails, go for the tough stuff. The stain didn't come out of the bottom of the tub like I wanted it to, so what I did was I used some Lime Away. You can also use the Lysol Black Label toilet cleaner. That will actually clean it really good as well, but I had Lime Away on hand. So another cleaner that I use that I found works really good on linoleum and tile floors is Bang. It'll actually get the tile squeaky clean, or linoleum, it'll actually remove all the dirt and nasty stuff. So if I wouldn't try it on stone or granite or anything like that, but I found that linoleum and tile, it works really well. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed the video. It's hard keeping a house clean, and when you have to deep clean like this, it's a lot of work. So I hope this motivates you to get one of your tough areas clean. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share the video.